Hello traders, and welcome to this week's Market Outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader, and in this video I'm going to be giving an idea for a trade over the next few days, some of the narratives driving the possible movement, and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. But before that, let's look back and see how last week's idea did. Last week was a potential buy for dollar yen with a possible target around 161.50. So far, the idea has been inaccurate. The idea for this week is a possible buy for Ether against the US dollar. We can see that the price recently has declined, but bounced quite strongly from the lower band of the 50-period Bollinger Bands and possibly could be setting up for a bounce. If that occurs, the initial target would probably be around the area of the latest high, which is around $3,700, but it's possible that if this is reached, the price might extend and retest the high before that as well. The primary narrative driving the possible movement upward by Ether is overall very positive sentiment in most crypto markets. We can also see that the spread between Bitcoin and Ether has reached a high of around 4 years and it's now above 31. And that might suggest that if Bitcoin can hold gains, there could be some rotation away from Bitcoin and into Ether. Now this week there's no critical economic data coming out, so traders are watching politics, with President Donald Trump having recently been inaugurated, and sentiment in crypto markets. But next week, traders are looking ahead quite closely to the meeting of the Fed and American advanced GDP for the fourth quarter. In summary, the idea this week is a potential buy for Ether against the US dollar with a possible initial target around $3,700. Primary narratives are overall positive sentiment and the spread between Bitcoin and Ether. And the critical data coming up next week are the Fed's meeting and American GDP. Please remember, this is just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal. It's not a guarantee of success. You should always manage risk and do your own research.